Hey guys, so just to walk you through this plugin, essentially what it allows you to do is to provide freeform text or a specific date and just convert that into a bubble date. Normally that's quite difficult because you either have to go through back-end workflows and return data from those, and even then it can be quite hard to extract those dates from plain text, so this plugin tries to solve that. What we can do is we can provide freeform text and then it will extract any dates that it's able to identify automatically. By default, it will extract them in the user's time zone, so I'm currently in UTC +2, 15th of July at 3 p.m. In UTC is 1 p.m, so we can see that here. And then of course in local time, that's exactly what it is. Now what we do when we pass as UTC is we're essentially pretending that we're in UTC right now, and that will mean that 3 p.m. here will be 3 p.m. UTC, and that's what's saved in the bubble database. So if it's the user that's saying things like they want things to be saved to their calendar, then you're probably going to want to pass as local time. But if it's, for example, being used with an AI workflow where an AI model can create events, it's probably going to be in UTC, but it will depend on your use case. One thing to note is that when you enable Parser's UTC, that will be overridden if the time zone is specifically provided in the dates up here. There's also a server-side action, which allows you to use this on the back end. Everything is exactly the same as the plugin element. It will take a while to warm up the first time you run it in 15 minutes, but after someone in your app has run it, the following times will be a lot quicker. So that will just return all of the dates. If we have no text to pass, it will return nothing, and it will of course only return one if necessary. The other thing is date templates. So if you know that a date is going to be in a specific format, you can basically guarantee that it'll be detected by providing the format. And that follows the Luxon date formatting tokens. You can find those details in the documentation, but essentially it looks something like day, month, and then year. And then if we type that in, we should be able to see, let's see. That'll be detected here. And then if it's any different format, it won't be detected. So it's basically just guaranteeing that we find things that are in the correct format. That's all with this plugin. It's pretty straightforward. Let me know if you have any questions. It's free. You can take a look at the code, change things around if you want yourself. But just thought I'd put it here, take it or leave it. Maybe it'll be helpful to some people. I know I needed this in the past.